This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to take printout in Excel. So you can see that we have a table and we're going to take the printout of the same sheet. So for this we can go to the page layout tab, and under this tab you can see the orientation option. So first we need to know what do you mean by orientation over here. It basically switch the pages between portrait and landscape layout. So basically there are two different layouts. One is called the landscape layout, the other one is called the print layout, portrait layout. So the other way we can go to the file menu and go to the print option and can select the page setup option. Here you can see that once again we can select the portrait and landscape orientation right from here. So if we select the portrait orientation, then you can see that a print layout can be like this, and if we change this to landscape, then it becomes like this. And if you want to adjust the normal size to 100%, then it becomes print layout becomes like this. So there are different ways through which you can modify your scaling positions, your orientations. Like if I select fit the print to 1 page wide by 1 page tall, then you can see that the print you are going to take on the paper will look like this. And you can also change the margins from left and right margins, and you can also add the header and footer. So there are so many multiple options, multiple treatments you can do with the page setup option. So thanks for watching. That's all.